So, good morning everyone. This is our first prompt using ChatGPT. So, our first prompt is explain mechanical rope set up and sweep water rescue operation. So, this click enter. Okay, let's read our ChatGPT response. So, clear student from the explanation. Sweep water so he keep structured. You can use study submissions, mechanical rope, sit up, purpose, equipment needed, common system. Why this prompt is weak? Number one is it's too broad. Mechanical rope sit up can mean many things. Z-drag, tensions diagonal, highline systems. The responder won't know which sit up to focus. And number two is no context or purpose. It is for training or a report. Number three, no level scenario like beginner ba, intermediate, technical rescuer. Without this, the explanation might be too simple or too complex. And number four, last is no format guidance. Do you want steps or diagram explanations, bullet points, tactical style? The output may not match what you actually need. Nakikita naman natin sa response ng ChatGPT. Next, gagawa tayo ng specific na prompt, like may specify kung ano ang purpose o gusto talaga natin makita, maging response ni ChatGPT. Provide a detailed explanation of the Z-drag. So may specific tayo na Z-drag mechanical advantage system used in sweep water rescue operations. Include its purpose o may purpose, required equipment, pulleys, carabiners, ropes, and papagawa natin siya ng step by step setup procedure and explain safety, like basta clear lang. Enter. Is the detail structure exploitation of Z-drag mechanical advantage system. So ito lumabas yung Z-drag mechanical advantage system sa water rescue. So may definition na siya. Ito yung response sa ChatGPT, guys. This means if rescuer pala 100 force, the system can apply. Purpose: prepare boats, vehicles, or victims. Especially important when manual pulling is not enough. So nag-base na ang response ni ChatGPT, guys, is nag-base na sa setup sa sweep-water rescue. Why is this stronger? Specific system, like naging may deeper explanation na siya. Sa Z-drag na specific na pinramp natin. So, clear scenario na may clear scenario na more realistic and practical and focused. Nagfo-focus siya sa output, better quality, or not overloaded. So may suggest na siya na ano ang mga equipment na kailangan nating dalhin sa, like example, as a rescue or responder na other side ng river mag-cross. So alam na ang dadalhin